Been waiting all day. Here we go. All right, we got the late Nike delivery. Shout out to UPS. Let's see. Ooh, the highly anticipated, the waited. Oh my goodness, these things, boy, these things are beautiful. Oh my goodness.
It's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what it is, everybody, from that intro, y'all can see that I finally got the Air Jordan 4 military blues in from the shock drop. Industrial blues, where my neighbor finally got them in. We go to hoop on Mondays, and we've been waiting for them to come in all day, but we came back tonight around 9 p.m., almost 8:30, and that's when UPS was pulling up. So shout out to UPS for working the late hours to ensure that he got his pair. And now I have them here for you. But before we take a really close look at these things, I want to say thank you guys for all the subscribers, for all the love, the support that you guys been giving me on the channel. We're growing, bro, and I really appreciate it, man. We're gonna continue to grind until we hit that 10K. But if this is your first time tapping into the content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit that like button, and also turn on the notification bell so you can notify anytime I drop any videos. And there is a join button, man. I created a membership for you guys. I'm gonna be selling a lot of my collection, and it's gonna be first come, first serve on that membership tab. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that join button. A lot of different perks go along with that. I think it's like $2.99 a month, something like that. But with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a good look at this sneaker. All right, so as you guys can see right here, we do have the Jordan 4 box. Got the flight right there, the Jumpman logo. This one here is actually my size, but me and my neighbor share the same size. So size 11.5, Air Jordan 4 retro, off-white, blue, so on and so forth. Industrial blue. I don't even see industrial blue anywhere on there. It just said military blue. So yeah, Nike branding on the box. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up. You have that spickle spack of paper, and you have the Air Jordan 4. I'm gonna call these things military blue. I'm not calling industrial blue. Military blues, man. So super clean sneaker, as I said. Y'all see the Nike Air on the back. Looks like a lot of padding in these things. Nike Air in there on the insole. The blues are a little bit darker. Yeah, I do see that. But you do have that SB type vibes on the toe box. As you guys can see there, y'all see the stars right there. The inner side of the sneaker looks very nice. The netting right there. The Air unit gray on this bottom. We do have the Nike Air on the bottom. Man, this is a sneaker a lot of people been waiting for. As we go up from the toe box, y'all see the toe box all the way up to the Nike Air, to the Flight Jumpman logo patch right there. The tongue on the back of it is like your SBs, along with also with the sides right here, and on the other side as well. They did give us this cheap Nike, orange Nike thing there, but that's one of them. I'm gonna sit that there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this other one out. As you guys can see, super clean sneaker. Y'all let me know. It's gonna be a bunch of pairs out there. So even if you didn't get a pair on this shock drop, make sure you guys are tuned in. I think May 7th, May the 4th or May the 7th. I know they said that it was gonna be later than that, but it looks like it's gonna be around May 4th, May 7th. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about these things. Comment down below. Is this a fire sneaker? Is this something that you gotta have? Is this something that they nailed? I don't see a flaw on these things. As you guys can see, I don't see a flaw anywhere. I mean, you got a little, but that ain't nothing, man. A little bit of glue right there. As you go around a sneaker, I don't see a flaw or imperfection. Oh, right there. But that ain't nothing, bro. Like this shoe is spot on, absolutely gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all got y'all pair, if y'all see any flaws on it. What are your thoughts and opinions? Are you going for these things? I'll do a more detailed review. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. But as I said, it was a bunch of pairs out there, and a lot of people were able to hit. I did have a few people say that they couldn't hit. They had problems on the app. But for the most part, this was a pretty solid release in my opinion, man. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around and close out this video. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know if you hit on these things. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I think Nike did a very good job on this shock drop. A lot of W's are out there, a lot of pairs. Wasn't limited, so salute to them for actually getting it right this time. But that's all I got. I appreciate you guys tapping in for today's video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And y'all remember, everything we talk about on this channel is just bait, or for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Hey, me and these military blues, gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.